You're overcooking chicken. That's why it's dry. This one trick keeps it insanely juicy. Chicken breast too large, boneless, skinless. Salt 1 teaspoon. Black pepper half a teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Olive oil 2 tablespoons. Butter 1 tablespoon. Take 2 chicken breasts and slice them horizontally into thin fillets. Even thickness equals even cooking. In a bowl add salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, lemon juice and olive oil. Mix well into a smooth paste. Now massage this mixture onto each fillet for 30 seconds. Let it rest for 15 minutes. This is where most people mess up. Don't skip. Heat a pan on medium heat for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon butter and let it melt, not burn. Place chicken fillets in the pan. Cook for 5 minutes on one side, don't touch. Flip once, cook another 3 minutes. Turn off heat, cover the pan, and let it rest for 3 minutes. This traps juices inside, restaurant secret. Comment juicy. If you've been overcooking chicken, be honest.